What's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be going over some new stuff that I've been trying out. It's called Wizard's Bug Release. I got my bike. We went on a trip to Kentucky. You might have seen some of the videos I posted on it. That was, I don't know, maybe almost a month ago. Maybe at least 3 weeks. And I haven't washed my bike or done anything with it yet. So still pretty dirty. There's some good bugs on it. So as you can see, the windshield, got a good one right there, splattered on there, pretty good. All along the lowers, like super dirty, covered in bugs. So I figured I'm gonna give the bike a quick wash. And before I do that, I want to get some of the stuff off. So I'm gonna try this stuff out. Supposedly it'll get everything off, or help at least. So according to the instructions, you just spray it on. It's good for windshield, paint, chrome, all that stuff. So it should be relatively straightforward. It says to apply it and then wipe it off with a damp cloth. Since I'm going to be washing the bike, I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to spray it on there, let it soak for 60 seconds like it said on the bottle. But I'm just going to hose it off because I'm going to go through it again with and actually wash the bike and clean the whole thing. So we'll see how it does. Right now, picking up, I already opened it, so get all this stuff real good. It smells good. It smells kind of grapey, which is nice. Got some on the mirror, so we can spray chrome. So let's see how that goes. I don't know how well you can tell on the camera, but you can see some of the bugs already starting to dissolve in. Actually, looks like some of it's actually going away, which is kind of cool. Let me get a little bit more on there. But yeah. So that's it applied. Oops, sorry. That's it applied. So we'll see how it goes in a little bit. Pretty simple. One of the things it said is if it dries, you could reapply some more and it'll help. It'll reactivate it, but you're not supposed to let it dry on there. I don't know if you can tell, it's a little gloomy out here today. So hopefully I can get the bike washed before it rains. Anyways, it's been about pretty close to 60 seconds. Haven't done anything to the bike yet, so let me get the hose, spray it off, and see what happens. Hopefully my dog hasn't chewed the hose the rest of the way, because you're ready. Alright, so here goes. I remember it says that I was supposed to wipe this off first with a cloth. I just want to release. Oh yeah, look at the big bug, just kind of came right off. got a little bit of water on the lens. So hold up. Alright, hopefully that's better. Alright, as you can see, I don't have the most powerful water hose. Not a very good stream. My dog chewed a hole in it, so it's a little low on water pressure, but and like I said, I didn't do it according to the manufacturer recommendations. They said wipe it with a cloth, so that way a damp cloth, so that way it'll help. But I mean, just quickly spraying the stuff on and just hitting it with a very low pressure water hose. A good majority of the stuff came off. It's just the stuff that's really caked on there. Even the big bug came off. So I think if I would have done it properly, the way that the manufacturer recommended, all this stuff would have came off. So pretty impressed with how well it works, especially since the stuff's been on there for a couple of weeks. So I'm gonna wash my bike and then show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, here's the finished product. You can see it pretty good. All the bugs are gone. That's a scratch right there in the paint. All the bugs are off the windshield over there. Even the big bug over there lowers. And I had to put in just minimal effort just to get the rest of the stuff off. So stuff works, especially if you do it the right way. Not like I did. But yeah, I'd say give it a shot at least and see how you like it. But yeah, bug remover from Wizards cleaning stuff. I'm happy with it. Give it a shot.